Honda America has revealed the 2020 Civic Type R model. It will have many changes, both external and internal. The first point that has been adjusted is the design of the new front grille. With this adjustment, the camp states that it will result in better air intake for the engine. There is also an upgrade of the brake pad that Honda says will work better when driving at high speeds. The shock absorber has been upgraded to increase the smoothness of the driving as well as the steering system to improve the control of the car. The car comes with a new body color, Boost Blue, as seen in the pictures. The interior has been changed to the new steering wheel with Alcantara leather and improved a new gear level that makes gearing faster. In addition, Honda sensing safety systems are also introduced, but we expect to consist of front vehicle warning system, lane departure warning system, and front speed reduction system, etc. Internal power 2020 Honda Civic Type R is equipped with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder petrol VTEC engine with turbocharger, providing maximum power of 306 horsepower, maximum torque of 400 Newton meters, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission front-wheel drive. The car will have 3 modes to choose from: Comfort, Sport and Plus R. All 3 modes will make the driving experience different. The 2020 model gets active sound control system that adjusts the sound patterns within the car according to the driving mode. Such as driving on a mountain or on a racetrack, sound will be more aggressive, while driving in the city, the sound will come out smoother. The 2020 Civic Type R now costs $37,950, including $955 for destination. That's a $695 increase over the 2019 Civic Type R.